in Vermont and I'm so excited to be here. I've already started baking or preparing my baking for the trip. I will be making sourdough cinnamon rolls tonight so that when we go skiing tomorrow, we'll have fresh sourdough cinnamon rolls ready for us after skiing. This is my first time making it though, so we'll see how they come out. But yeah, this will be my first time skiing for the 2025 season, so wish me luck. I've also got a ton of pepperoni and provolone cheese, so I'm going to make Stromboli. I'm very excited. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the vlog.
That's the fit in the first bit?
Yes.
What am I doing?
Grease in the pan. Alright, so I'm rolling from here.
You're gonna roll from that way, this way.
See, all this stuff fell out.
That's alright, that's alright.
It says 1.5 inch. Well, I can start from the middle.
No. So get another one set up and then you can...
Yeah.
Got a good idea of what you need?
Yes. Don't get my nails in it.
You got 12 slices? How many we got?
You want to help?
This guy can sit right in there. There we go. Very good. It's dough and sugar and butter.
Did you still do it? Oh my goodness. No.
Like bump its sound. Son of bitches! Stay for turkey! Oh, that's from her.
No.
A Christmas Story.
I don't like that movie.
That's why they ended up going out to the Chinese place for Christmas dinner. Because they eat the turkey, the bump the sounds. It's smiling at us.
Oh my god. Did they get it? You can't do that.
Well, they got the duck, and then they cooked it, and they're like, it looks great, but the wife goes, oh my god! Because it's got the head. It's like, it's smiling, the head, it's smiling. He's like, oh, okay.
Oh my god. So they sticked. First day going skiing in 2025. What do you start? Boots on. They're not what?
7 pieces of flair. TGI Fridays. What's
my sock, no. Ellie, what's coming out of the oven? I could see Ellie in the reflection of the oven. All right, yes.
I was baking at slightly under 400.
That looks great to me.
Which will do.
All right, so now they'll sit for 5 to 10.
Expecting to see some more here.
No, it should be all the basic gen eds. It should be English, history, math.
It's about 20 degrees already. Feel like of 13. All right, so we're going skiing today. I'm all bundled up. But just going to get some apples and some waters for us for breakfast.
Thank you very much. Alright, where are we going?
Sourdough Stromboli. Smells good.
That was fun.
And the winner of this challenge is
Now it's hanging out. This. And then we gotta tuck it like pulls off. I don't know if I don't think I need to do like slits, so. How's it look? Wow.
Pretty good. Maybe keep going.
A little bit longer.
oh wow.
Increasing cloudiness and windy. High 31. Winds west at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Another cran raspberry?
Yes.
Okay. We knew he was coming. We bought 3. And then kids' cups. I thought that they were over.
Alright, Red Carew.
That's a pizza roll?
Yes.